Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a first time viewer, my name is Ranjini. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I got this makeup look. I like to call this as a glam night out makeup look, incorporating some blue, smoky eye and some glitters, and I'll show you how we can rock on your night out. To start off this look, I'm taking this Dior Forever Primer to prime my face. I'm applying all over my face and I'm just blending it in. Make sure you just leave it for a couple minutes to get absorbed. For my eyebrows, I have taken Anastasia Beverlyhills Brow Wiz in the shade Granite. For the beginners, I would recommend using Brow Wiz instead of pomade and the brush. Using pomade and brush is always kind of messy and complicated until you discover what's going on. To correct my dark circle, I have taken L.A.girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector and I'm applying it around the eye area, and you just blend it using your finger. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior Forever foundation. I'm just applying it and blending with the beauty blender. For some reason this foundation looks so yellow on me. I think because of the light or something, but it was okay when I see directly. That should not be a problem. I think we can manage with a concealer. It is actually a full coverage foundation that is buildable. To conceal and highlight, I'm going to be using this DiorSkin Forever concealer. I am in the shade Sand Light to Medium. I'm just applying under my eye area and blending with a beauty blender. Make sure you clean the border of your brows to keep that clean look. I've taken this Mercier setting powder to set wherever I have used the concealer. I used concealer today on my forehead, below the cheekbones to highlight because the foundation is kind of yellow, right? So I thought of matching it up with a concealer. Even you can try this out. There is no harm having a darker shade foundation rather having a lighter one. You can always match it up with a concealer. Lighter shade always gives like you have painted something on your face. Yeah. For creating the beautiful smoky blue eye look, I've taken this Morphe 39A palette. This is one of my favorite palette. It got such a beautiful colors and it's so rich in pigment. And from that I have taken this brown color as my transition shade and I'm blending it in the crease. And once I finish blending that, I have taken the blue color from the same palette and I'm applying it all over my lid. Make sure you hold the brush in the tip so that you can blend it with ease. Once I'm done with the blending, I'm taking a black color from the same palette with the angled brush and I'm focusing on the outer V of my eye. Just focus on the shape. Blending is not a big deal. Just get on the shape first. This black at the outer corner gives that smoky effect. And once I'm satisfied with blending, I'm going to take the metallic blue and fill the lid. Just fill the outer half of the lid. Gosh, look at that blue. I'm filling the inner half of the eye using the Purp Cosmetic eye palette. I'm taking this shimmery gold shade and I'm filling in the inner corner of the eye. Dust the extra powder. Purpose of applying powder is to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. For my eyes, I have taken this Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner and I'm drawing a wing using this eyeliner. This fine tip helps to give that sharp wing. To line my waterline, I have taken this Smashbox Khol pencil. If you have creasing problem, I would recommend using whatever you have in the waterline and top it with a black eyeshadow. That helps creasing and it stays for a long time too. And it also gives the deep black intense look. For contouring, I have taken this NYX contour stick. My shade is dark brown. Contour the bridge of the nose to make it look smaller, and below the cheekbone and forehead and the chin area. I'll do a detailed video on contouring too. While blending, push the product towards the hairline so that it looks more natural. I'm taking this bronzer from Cover FX palette and applying it in the contour area. To add little more brightness to my face, I've taken this brightening setting powder from the same Cover FX palette and I'm applying it in the area wherever I want to highlight. To add little more glow, I have taken this cream highlighter from Tarte. Coming to this highlighter, little goes a long way. But the thing is, it dries so fast, so whenever you apply, just make sure you blend it so fast or it gets dried and it looks kind of patchy. For the lipstick, I have taken the Smashbox liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Outloud. I love this lipstick, it's one of my favorites. It's such a great formula and it stays for a long time. You barely need to touch up even if you eat something greasy. For my lashes, I have taken this Tarte mascara. To set my face, I have taken this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It keeps your makeup in place. This will be today's final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. I come up with new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and the next video will be more interesting, especially for the Indian viewers. I'm creating the look with the products that is more affordable and easily accessible in India, so please do check out. Until then, bye! Thank you for watching.